In this video, we are going to talk about Exchange. In last few videos, we have covered Exchange Admin Center. We already covered how to create users, groups, and what are the rules and the billing sections we have covered, and few settings we have covered. We have in the first video, we have covered how to add your personal domain in your Office 365 admin center. Now this is the right time to start with the Exchange admin, how you can set up Exchange environment for your organization. And the first thing that we need to do is set up a MX record so that all incoming outgoing emails will flow properly, right? So in this video, I'll show you how you can add a Exchange MX record, that is MX record, how you can create a MX record, how you can create an auto discovery record, and then I will show you how the incoming emails are coming in and going out. So let's get started with that, and I'll give you some ideas how you can check while doing this setup, everything, right? So we have already set up this easyfirstsecurity.com. Not completely we said this, we just verified that domain ownership of the domain we have already covered, or we verified already. So if you go here and you will see the DNS record, and when the DNS record, go to the manage DNS, and let's continue. So now you will see there are the MX record. This is MX record. Then there is a CNAME record, auto discovery, and there is a TXT record for SPA. So why these records are required? So I will tell you what is the purpose of this record. MX record is basically for incoming email. It shows that where your Exchange server is located and what is the Exchange server public domain name, right? So from your domain name, it will redirect, okay, your email server is on this location and this is the public domain name. So emails will go to this ID and it will deliver. Then there is auto discovery record. This record is useful for connecting your Outlook properly. So you put your username and password, and it will take the settings from this record, and what are the settings is available for your user ID in the Exchange server. That settings and everything will come down, and it will set up your Outlook properly. If this setting is not there, then your Outlook need to configure manually, and there are some consequences. There is some effect. User will not happy, or IT even will not happy, if this record is not proper. So you must check this auto discovery record is working or not. If your Outlook is not able to connect automatically, if it is not connecting, so that time you just every time you check whether this auto discovery.outlook.com is working properly from your network, from where you are configuring your Outlook, from that network, from that laptop. Just check whether this autodiscover.outlook.com, this URL is working, DNS is properly resolving, or is there any firewall is blocking, that kind of things you need to check when your Outlook is not working properly. And then there is the SPF record. This SPF record is basically, it tells that from where your emails is generated and whether that server, the Exchange server, if just for example the email is coming from the gmail.com, and it will tells that, okay, this is the authorized Exchange server for gmail.com, whether it is authorized server, the emails is coming from authorized server, and it will check your this SPF record against that gmail.com domain. So if this record is correct, then your email will receive, our Exchange server will receive this email. Otherwise, if this record is incorrect for the gmail.com, and then if you send any email from gmail.com to our domain will receive that email, but it will put into the junk folder. So always remember the email, if any third party email, incoming emails are always going into the junk folder, then just check this record for that domain, okay, the sender's domain. Just check this SPF record is proper or not. If it is not proper, then you must inform that sender domain IT department that, okay, there is a problem with the SPF, and you just need to add this properly. I'll tell you another example when you need to correct your domain also, like our DNS record, when we need to modify. For example, if you are sending email from Salesforce. Okay, this is a third party company and you want to send email from Salesforce to out of the organization, anywhere, right? You want to send email. So that time Salesforce email server's IP address or the domain name we need to add in our SPF record. So whenever the email is going out from the Salesforce, it will go from our domain, right? It will the sender's email ID would be like our domain, like amol@ourdomain.com. So whenever the email is going out, the recipient exchange server, okay, it will check, okay, even though email is coming from the Salesforce, but the Salesforce email ID, Salesforce IP address is available in our SPF record. So the recipient exchange server will receive that email. It will take it and it will deliver in the inbox. Otherwise our emails will always land in their junk folder. So that time we also modify our SPF record, right? Then we'll just create this SPF record and auto discovery record and MX record in our exchange server, in our DNS portal. Before that, do you think that sending out our emails to the sending out emails, do we need our MX record set up first? Like if you yes, then I'll show you. See, now I have opened my hotmail.com ID and also this Outlook. Let me open this, go to here and I'll just open this Outlook. I'm logged in with my domain name amol@easyfirstsecurity.com, right? And also I'll show you, copy this. This is the MX record, everyone's favorite site. So I'll just put it here, easyfirstsecurity.com. I'll quickly check. See, there is no MX record set. So any incoming emails will not come. 100% there will be no incoming emails to our domain. But even though I can send email to external, I'll show you quickly. So I'm just opening this and I'll just put my email ID Amol. I'll just pick this from here. amolpower297@hotmail.com and paste email from Hotmail. Okay, so I'll just send this. I'll quickly go to the here and I'll just wait a few minutes to see if that email is coming. See, the email came to my Hotmail ID. So it means for sending out email, we don't need our MX record set. Okay, but if I reply to this same ID, okay, I reply receive, okay, spelling mistake, received, okay, I reply to same email ID, it will not go, okay, 100% it will not go. But even though I will just keep open this portal and there will be no email. Like even if you go to the junk folder, everywhere that email will not go. It will bounce back and it will send the notification to here, but it takes time. It's not the immediately you will get that emails that email not able to deliver. So but after a few hours that email will come here that Hotmail will says that okay, we are not able to find that any such a domain, any exchange server for that domain, right? Because MX record is not set. So what it means, all incoming emails need MX record. Even you can check for third party Microsoft.com. For any exchange server you can check Microsoft.com. See, Microsoft also has the MX records. That's why all the emails to the Microsofts are going properly. Now what we need to do, we need to set up a MX record. So we'll quickly go to our DNS portal. This is my domain. I'm going to set the MX record for this. I'll go to the manage DNS and all the settings are same for even if you go with a GoDaddy or any DNS provider. Okay, the settings are same. Just go to there and you'll just look for the SPF record and the TXT record, and there is a MX record also, right? These are the standard settings, so you will get. Okay, so now I'll add the MX record. You can connect to your business email. Okay, this is a different process in the Wix. I got a MX Microsoft Easy Security. Oh, that's great. They have picked up the MX record automatically from the domain, right? So they have picked up and if you see the easy first security -.com.mail.protection, and if you go here in my here and if you check see MX record, this is the same record they have pulled up automatically, which is great. And I'll just okay, that's great. And I'll just put this okay. Yeah, they have added this. Now I have to put this CNAME record. I'll just copy this auto discover, go to the DNS and look for the CNAME, add record, auto discover value, same auto discover.outlook.com. I'll go to the weeks, put the value here, 1 hour TTL, and which is great. So let complete this save. I have to refresh the page, and now the record is showing auto discover easy first, and this is pointing to the auto discover.outlook.com. Now how we can check? I'll just quickly, I'll put here my domain name again, or maybe we can just go here and I'll just copy this security.com. I'll put it here again and check for the MX record. There you go. Now you can see the MX record is set properly. Now I'll go back here and see, I just put that MX record and that email was there in the a queue, and maybe Hotmail was retrying that, get the same email that I have sent already. So yeah, so now what we need to go complete this, our configuration process, processing, done. Now we have set all this record, refresh, nothing. And then if you go to here, domain, healthy. So we have set up this easyfirstsecurity.com perfectly. And when you go here in Exchange, yeah, in the MX, and you see my Amol, this mailbox is there. So next time, when in the next video, I will show you all this configuration settings, how you can manage your users and their settings for mail, incoming emails, outgoing emails, how you can sanitize your emails, and what are the security policies you should implement when you set up your Exchange environment, right? So all these settings I will show you in the next video. Just stay with this channel and like and subscribe. And yeah, so this is all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.